Hi students, welcome to the second lesson of our English class. Today, we are going to talk about nouns, common nouns, proper nouns, and singular nouns. First up, what are nouns? A noun is a word that names something such as person, place, thing, or idea. So, kahit na anong pangalan ng mga bagay, tao, lugar, o pangyayari or an event, ito ay tinatawag nating nouns. Now, there are two types of nouns, the common nouns and the proper nouns. Common nouns are those that name something such as a person, place, thing, or idea. Common nouns are general names, nothing specific. For example, actor, farm, book, parade, dog, park, blanket. Proper nouns, on the other hand, is a particular name of a person, place, thing, or idea. As we have learned dun sa nakaraang nating lesson on capitalization, proper nouns are always capitalized. Palagi pong nagte-take ng capital letter ang proper nouns. For example, Jubal Cadiz is a name of person, so it is a proper noun. Golden Gate Bridge, Monday, Christmas, those take up capitalization because they are proper nouns. Next up, we are going to learn about singular nouns. These are words that name one person, place, thing, or idea. We use a or an before singular nouns. Use an before words beginning with vowels. So ginagamit natin ang article na an kapag ang mga salitang tinutukoy natin ay nagsisimula sa a, e, i, o, at u. For example, an orange, an egg, an ice cream. However, English is a language that has a lot of exemptions. So some words don't follow this rule. For example, a uniform, a university. Itong mga salitang ito, makikita naman natin, they both begin with the vowels U. However, bakit a ang ginamit na article or determiner instead of an? Uniform, university. These words both begin as if nagsisimula sila sa letter Y. That is their sound. That is why ginamit yung article na a instead of an. Next, we use a before words that begin with consonants. Kung yung noun na gusto nating gamitin ay nagsisimula sa letters B, C, D, F, G, J, K, and others, ginagamit natin yung article na a. For example, a table, a plate, a window. But then again, there are words that do not follow this rule. For example, an heir or an honor. Kabaliktaran nung kanina, itong mga ito naman, nagsisimula sila sa consonant na letter H, however, they sound as if they are vowels kasi silent yung H doon sa mga salita. So, heir, an heir. Honor, an honor. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. See you in our next lesson.